Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple edit on the CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps. You can download the CapCut apps on Google Play Store or App Store, and just log into your account, or your if you have an account, don't have account, you can sign up. Okay, tap on your project and select your videos or photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to make a simple edit with 3 photos, and I'm going to add the transition first. Just click on the transition icon within the clip and then select the um, transition that you want to add and apply it to all the clip. Just click check mark so you can see. Okay, and I'm going to add the animation to each clip. And I'm going to select the zoom to just for the duration of the animation. Okay, apply to other clip. Okay, yeah, I think. Okay, so you can see, and you can also edit the audio. You can select text to add the text. You can add the filters as you like, and just click the export button in the top right corner. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe.